Had to stop and get my bike washed. That's okay. That's okay. Hook my bike up. Get my baby clean. My bike suffered today. That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Yeah.
Aww.
This is exciting.
It is exciting.
I rode 89 miles. I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm here.
Huh?
You rode here, right?
Yeah, I live in Jamaica.
Stop! We have to get you in the picture. You look awesome.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at you. Guys, get the tire.
Good job, guys.
boy, that looks good. Boy, that's what I'm talking about, boy. My baby gonna be clean. What?
Okay, go right in there. Go. They're really doing a great job.
Yo, you guys are good. Are they cheerleaders?
No, it's a school.
Oh, okay.
They're graduating from 6th grade. So this is a fundraiser. They're raising money for their 6th grade class.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yep.
Shucks.
Your water bottles are soaked up.
That's okay. That's okay. I only got like 6 or 7 more miles to go.
Okay.
I'm almost home. I'm ready to St. Albans.
Oh, okay. So you're close.
I think I'm at 89. Or it'll be 89 by the time I get home.
Jamie, look how cool this is. Look at how cool.
All right, she looks good. She looks good. Look at it shining. What? My bike ain't never been that clean. But this is the way you're supposed to end the ride. This is how you end the ride. This is what I'm talking about.
Good job.
Man. I didn't even know my bike was red. All right, get a rinse, get a rinse. Get a good rinse.
Careful with the bike.
Don't get the computer wet.
Hold on. Oh yeah, we can't. Yeah. We're gonna have. Oh, good. Cover it.
Oh, you know what? Let me just take it off. I'll just take it off.
That's a good idea. It might be.
I'll just take it off.
Wait, you can do that the entire time?
Watch your hand right here. There you go. Hey, there we go. Hey. All right, now we in business.
Ready, guys? Go! It's gonna dry.
Woo, she looks good. Look at that. Good job, good job. Looking good over there.
I was looking for a Hamoon fanboy.
Because I showed it for like doing it when I got home. Oh, that is beautiful. It looks brand new. Thank you so much. All right, what school is this? I ain't hear a word y'all say. Okay, all right, I got it. All right.